Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Slant settings. To get to your settings, you'll just navigate to this top left corner and click into settings, and we're just going to go through each of these sections here. So profile is just your basic contact info. You can directly go in and update these fields. This calendar link will be the link that any AI drafted email or any AI generated content uses, so you want to make sure that's up to date and accurate. Under book profile, this is where you can name your book, adjust your time zone here, and update your client tier labels. We've defaulted to an ABCD tier system, but you could customize the names of these labels and add different tiers here as well. Under company profile, you can upload your company's logo, add your company's name, and add your company's website. Here you can also determine if you want new notes to be locked by default, where they can't be edited or changed unless an admin unlocks them. Additionally, you can determine when you want Slant to automatically sign out. If you wanted it to sign out after a certain time block, you could update that here. This is where your company profile will generate. This generates directly from whatever information is in this company website. So you could generate a new profile or go in and type to this profile and edit it that way. In the Users and Teams tab, you'll see all of your team members, all of your teams in your Slant account. Admins can go in and change the status of each team member to be member or admin. You can add people to certain books by just clicking the user and then clicking the book that you want them to have and pressing add to book. Here you can add different teams, so you can create a new team and add certain members in your Slant account to that team. Under notifications, you can customize the notifications that you get from Slant. You can do that all here. Now we'll move to the integrations. Under email and calendar is where you can add your email and calendar. Once you'll just go to one of these three boxes and sign in to your email account directly from here. Once that is set up, you'll click into this box. Under calendar sharing, you can choose which books you want to share your calendar with. Under email permissions, you can grant access to different users. Under signature, you can sync your signature to Slant. Easiest, quickest way to do this is just email a blank email with your signature to this email address, and it'll sync here. Similar process for file storage. You'll just connect whichever file storage you use here. Once that's connected, you can click into this and grant access to different teammates. The phone and SMS tab will allow you to connect your phone integration here. These are the available ones that we have currently. Under custodian, you can add your advisor codes and select the books that you want that custodian information to sync to. For each of these custodian integrations, there is a third-party data access agreement that you need to complete with each custodian. And if you need help with that, feel free to reference our docs, our AI support, or your CSM. Under API connections, this is where you can set up your API, MCP, or Zapier connections. The data import section allows you to import data from a previous CRM or do a CSV upload. In the data export section, you can export and download your data. Here's where you can link your DocuSign account. If you don't have one, you're welcome to use Slant. In the Note Taker tab, you can customize your note taker and some of its settings here. In project types, this is where you can edit and add new project types. This is also where you can access the project template library. This engagement tab allows you to customize your cadence for annual reviews and touch points. This prompts tab is where you can customize your prompts for email voice, meeting prompts, your household summary, and prompt snippets. Under data customizations is where you can add different templates, different custom fields, different pipelines, meeting types, things like that. Tags and labels is where you can add new tags and labels for household. This is task notes opportunities. You can go in and edit these tags and labels or add new ones here. Lastly, document fillers, where you can see all of your available PDFs in Slant. You can edit them from here and upload new ones from here as well. Thanks, everyone.